Oh man! What did I do? Well, that's gonna suck. Hey, everyone. Made a mistake the other day. Well, the table saw we have is called a SawStop. So what it does is it detects if any kind of metal or finger hits the blade, it doesn't cut you. What it does is it drops the blade. There's a cartridge. I'll show you in a minute. Well, I set that off the other day, and now I have to replace it. So we will show you how to replace your saw blade and the cartridge in a SawStop PCS175. This is what it looks like after it's done. After the cartridge goes off, of course. I did not get hurt in this process, but I don't know why it went off. So afterwards, I'll send this cartridge actually off to SawStop, and they'll inspect it and see what kind, if it was my mistake or if it was a mistake from the machine. Stay tuned, and we'll show you how to replace it. Alright, so to get started off, you have to get a brake from or brake cartridge from SawStop, and the blade we are going with, decided to change companies. It's called Tenryu Gold Metal. It's a 1040 combination blade. Really good blades. I'll put a description on the underneath with everything I have here, so if you have any questions, you can fire away. I'll answer any questions, and you can click on the links, any products you want to look at. So without further ado, I will show you. Like I said, I already have this taken off. So what we do is take the cartridge out, we'll put it in, put the blade in, adjust the blade to the cartridge, and it should be done. Alright, so as you can see, this is obviously the arbor for the blade. Cartridge goes in here. There's a door underneath inside there. I'll show you. That's probably the easiest place to put it in and be able to fit it inside. This is what the cartridge looks like after. It will go, once it's sit in there, it'll go sit like that. The blade rides around like that. So I'll show you the spot. Alright, underneath, that is where you see that. Alright, so a little bit of elbow grease and a little bit of, a little force. That fit in there just like that. Let's see if I can get a better picture of it. That bushing to the top sometimes a little in the way, but it's not too hard. So next, we'll put the blade on and adjust it, and we should be good. All right, got the blade out. Pretty easy how it goes in. Just like that. Here's a spacer. Here's a nut. Make sure you don't drop it in there, because you have to take more things apart to get it in, or to get it out, I should say. Done that. Been there, done that. It's not fun. All right, and then we'll raise it up. Don't forget to put the pin in the cartridge. There's a hole. All right, so what you do is get the gauge, put it in. Obviously, you can't get it in there. So what you do is you back it out. Check that. Get a little bit more. Yeah, I went a little too far, so now we go and tighten it up a little bit. This is the part you want to put down there. Alright, so got everything done. Got the cartridge in, got it adjusted, got the blade. If you want, you can always double check, make sure you have the blade tightened. It's probably a good thing, but we'll just show you. Nice and tight. So, last thing to do is get the riving knife. Set it in there. Push this all the way down. Locks it, and you're good to go. Put that in, that locks there, and you're all set. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, like I said, comment below. All right, thanks for watching. That's how you change a cartridge and a blade in a SawStop. So, like always, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button and the bell, and get more updates when we do post videos. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.